To fix Walmart location restrictions in 2025, follow this comprehensive guide. First, understand that location restrictions are in place to ensure that products and services are available to customers in specific areas. However, these restrictions can sometimes cause issues for users. Step 1. Check your location settings. Ensure that your device's location services are turned on and set to the correct location. This can usually be found in your device's settings menu under Location or GPS. Step 2. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. Sometimes, outdated cache and cookies can cause issues with location detection. Clearing them can help resolve any problems you are experiencing. Step 3. Use a VPN. A virtual private network can help mask your location and bypass any restrictions that may be in place. However, be aware that using a VPN may violate Walmart's terms of service. Step 4. Contact Walmart customer support. If none of the above steps work, contact Walmart's customer support team for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot any issues and provide additional guidance on how to fix location restrictions. Best practices include ensuring that your device's location services are always turned on when shopping on Walmart's website or app, and being aware of any location restrictions that may be in place in your area. By following these steps and best practices, you can fix Walmart location restrictions and access the products and services you need.